Welcome to our channel Trust. This is Marcos Ayad. Today we're diving into the wonders of our cosmic neighborhood, a place we call the solar system. Now you might think you know your way around here. You've probably got a favorite planet or two, maybe a soft spot for Saturn's rings. But trust me, the solar system is chock full of surprises, mind-blowing facts that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about our little corner of the Milky Way. Over the next few minutes, we're going to explore 10 amazing facts about the solar system that are guaranteed to make your jaw drop. We're talking about massive stars, colossal planets, storms that rage for centuries, and temperatures that could melt lead. Get ready for a cosmic adventure that will leave you in awe of the universe and its infinite wonders. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the star of the show, literally, the sun. This giant ball of burning plasma is the reason we're all here. It's the heart of our solar system, the anchor around which everything else revolves. But here's the thing about the sun that'll really bake your noodle. It's unbelievably massive. I'm not just talking big, I'm talking mind-bogglingly huge. When we say the sun contains 99.86% of the mass in the solar system, we're not kidding around. That means everything else, all the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, dust, and gas, they all make up a measly 0.14%. Think about that for a second. Imagine gathering every single object in the solar system, grinding them down to dust, and piling it all up. That pile wouldn't even come close to the sun's mass. It puts things into perspective, doesn't it? The sun is the undisputed heavyweight champion of our cosmic neighborhood. Next up, we're heading to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Now Jupiter is what we call a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's a swirling mass of mostly hydrogen and helium, with a dash of other elements thrown in for good measure. But here's the mind-blowing part. Jupiter is so incredibly large that you could fit all the other planets in the solar system inside it. That's right, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. They could all comfortably fit inside Jupiter with room to spare. To put Jupiter's size into perspective, imagine shrinking the sun down to the size of a basketball. On that scale, Jupiter would be about the size of a grape. That's still pretty big for a grape, wouldn't you say? Jupiter is a true behemoth, a testament to the vastness and diversity of our solar system. Let's move on to a celestial object that needs no introduction. Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. Those iconic rings are what make Saturn instantly recognizable, even to the most casual observer. But have you ever stopped to wonder what those rings are made of? Well, the answer might surprise you. Saturn's rings aren't some solid metallic structures. Instead, they're made up of countless icy particles, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to massive chunks of ice bigger than your house. And when I say countless, I mean it. There are billions, maybe even trillions of these icy particles all orbiting Saturn in a mesmerizing dance. Now, these rings aren't perfectly uniform. They're divided into different bands, separated by gaps, and they even have shepherd moons, small moons that help maintain their structure. It's a complex and dynamic system, and we're still learning new things about it all the time. But one thing's for sure, Saturn's rings are a testament to the beauty and wonder of the cosmos. Now, let's take a trip to Jupiter and visit one of the most recognizable features in the solar system, the Great Red Spot. This isn't just any ordinary storm, it's an anticyclonic storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. That's right, this storm has been swirling around Jupiter since Galileo first pointed his telescope at the planet in the 17th century. And when I say raging, I mean it. The winds inside the Great Red Spot can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, twice as fast as the strongest hurricanes on Earth. The spot itself is so large that you could fit 2 to 3 Earths inside it. Just imagine the kind of weather report they'd have on a planet with a storm like that. But here's the thing. The Great Red Spot is shrinking. Over the past century, it's decreased in size by about half. Scientists aren't sure exactly why this is happening, but it's a reminder that even the most seemingly permanent features in the cosmos are constantly changing and evolving. Our next stop takes us to Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. Now, Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition, but don't let that fool you. Venus is a hellish world with a toxic atmosphere and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. But that's not even the weirdest thing about Venus. You see, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets in our solar system. That's right, it spins backward. This means that on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Talk about a different perspective. Scientists believe that this retrograde rotation might be the result of a massive collision early in Venus's history. Whatever the cause, it's just one of the many things that make Venus such a fascinating and enigmatic planet. Get ready to climb, because we're headed to Mars to visit the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Now, when I say tall, I mean it. Olympus Mons dwarfs Mount Everest here on Earth. In fact, it's 3 times taller. If you were standing at the base of Olympus Mons, the summit would be so high that it would disappear beyond the horizon. So, how did this monstrous volcano form? Well, it's all thanks to Mars's lack of plate tectonics. On Earth, volcanoes form when molten rock rises from the mantle at plate boundaries. But on Mars, there are no moving plates, so the molten rock just kept piling up in the same spot, eventually forming Olympus Mons. Just imagine the eruption that must have created this volcanic behemoth. It would have made any volcanic eruption on Earth look like a tiny sparkler. Olympus Mons is a testament to the power of geological processes, even on a planet that's often considered to be dead. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to experience some extreme temperatures as we head to Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system. Now, Mercury is a planet of extremes. It's the closest planet to the sun, so you know it's going to be hot. But I'm not talking about a mild sunny day kind of hot. I'm talking about temperatures that can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. That's hot enough to melt lead. But here's the kicker. Because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to speak of, it can't retain that heat. So, at night, temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Talk about a case of the planetary chills and fever. These extreme temperatures are just one of the many challenges that future explorers to Mercury will face. But they also make for a fascinating study in planetary science. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to be blown away as we journey to Neptune, the windiest planet in our solar system. Now, Neptune is a long way from the sun, so you might think it would be a cold, calm, and collected kind of place. But you couldn't be more wrong. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour. That's 3 times faster than the speed of sound. These supersonic winds whip around the planet at incredible speeds, creating massive storms that dwarf anything we've ever seen on Earth. Just imagine trying to fly a kite on Neptune. Scientists believe that these intense winds are driven by the planet's internal heat, which is still radiating out from its formation billions of years ago. It's a reminder that even in the coldest reaches of our solar system, there's still plenty of action going on. Get ready for a cosmic love story, because we're heading to the edge of our solar system to visit Pluto and its heart-shaped glacier. Now, Pluto may be a dwarf planet, but it's got a big heart, literally. One of the most striking features on Pluto's surface is a giant heart-shaped glacier that's the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined. This heart-shaped feature, officially known as Tombaugh Regio, is made up of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide ices. It's thought to have formed through a combination of geological processes, including convection and sublimation. But let's be real, it's way more fun to think of it as a cosmic love letter, a testament to the beauty and wonder that can be found even in the most unexpected places. Pluto's heart captured our imaginations when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by in 2015, and it continues to remind us that there's still so much to learn and explore in our solar system. Our final stop takes us to the outer reaches of our solar system, to a region beyond Neptune known as the Kuiper Belt. This region is like a cosmic junkyard, filled with remnants from the early solar system. Now, when I say junkyard, I don't mean it in a bad way. The Kuiper Belt is a treasure trove of icy bodies, including dwarf planets like Pluto, Eris, and Makemake. These objects are leftovers from the formation of the solar system billions of years ago. They're like time capsules, offering us a glimpse into the conditions that existed when our cosmic neighborhood was just a baby. And here's the thing about the Kuiper Belt. It's huge. It's estimated to be 20 times wider, and 20 to 200 times more massive than the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. That's a lot of cosmic real estate to explore. The Kuiper Belt is a reminder that our solar system is a vast and mysterious place, and there's still so much out there waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these amazing facts about the solar system, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Remember, the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and there's always something new to discover. From the mind-blowing mass of the Sun to the icy heart of Pluto, our solar system is a place of endless fascination. It's a testament to the power of nature, the beauty of the universe, and the boundless potential of human curiosity. See you next time.